Lipo Glow Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're considering fat burning or skin toning supplements, Lipo Glow sounds promising, but most people get this wrong by assuming all results are immediate or guaranteed. The surprising truth is that pricing depends on bottle size, subscription plans, and promotional discounts. A single bottle of Lipo Glow costs around, typically lasting 30 days. Multi-bottle bundles or subscriptions reduce the per bottle price too and may include free shipping. Some websites offer one-time promotions, but recurring subscriptions are optional. Refund policies vary, often requiring unopened bottles or proof of purchase. What you get: active ingredients targeting metabolism, appetite control, or skin appearance, depending on formulation. What you give up: consistency and patience, as results take weeks of regular use. Buying from official sources ensures authenticity and avoids counterfeit products. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Identify your goals: fat reduction, energy boost, or skin toning. Step 2. Compare package deals and subscription savings. Step 3. Check ingredient lists for safety and efficacy. Step 4. Read verified customer reviews for realistic expectations. You won't believe what happens next if you rely solely on marketing claims. Results may not match expectations. The surprising truth is that Lipo Glow can support your wellness routine, but success depends on lifestyle choices and consistent use. In conclusion, Lipo Glow's pricing offers flexibility, from single bottles to subscription bundles. By understanding product benefits, realistic timelines, and purchasing options, your money goes further and supports informed wellness decisions.